What is up? In this video we're gonna take a look at this uGreen 4-in-1 USB hub. The USB hub comes in a cardboard box. After removing the plastic, you can open it up and slide it out. The package contains the USB hub itself, plus 2 manuals. Taking the USB hub out, I'm impressed by its quality, how premium it feels, both the braided cable and the aluminium body. Though, in my opinion, the cable is a bit short. Therefore, I also bought a uGreen extension cord, which after unboxing turns out to be just as premium as the USB hub. Let's plug these into my computer. Here I'm routing the extension cord through my mess of cables all the way to one of my USB 3 ports on my computer. Plugging the USB hub to the extension cord, we're finally done. Though the cable was a bit stiff. Combined with my other uGreen cables, it both feels and looks good to use. Personally, I'm definitely satisfied with how premium and high quality this USB hub is, as well as the extension cord. Well, that's all I had to say. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!